I'm making pasta with ketchup because my friend told me to. I'm wearing my pajamas, and it's 9 in the morning. I'm making. Let's say this again. Pasta. I'm making angel hair pasta. Don't worry, so you don't have to worry. With fucking ketchup. Oh, swing in the mess. What am I doing? Let's get this done. Oh, fuck, I fell. Alright, let's do this. I'm wasting my good pasta. Alright, the recipe calls boiling water, salt, well, put salt in it, of course. Add the pasta linguine. I know it's not linguine. Cook and drain. Sounds easy. This is a level 2 recipe. Baby, I burnt toast. Alright. Fuck, I don't want to do this. I am wasting my life making this. What am I... Oh! The fuck was that? Oh, this cat fell off for my drugs. Where's the ketchup? You might be wondering... You might be wondering, why are you making this? It's my dream. Fucking, I want to be a chef when I grow up. Fucking stupid. And you might be wondering, who the fuck eats this? Well, Ketchup Gaming. Yeah, I know him. He's a good friend, an ass. Or Logan. Logan. And the ketchup we're using is this, because it's actually good ketchup, and it's ketchup. It's the only ketchup I have. And pasta. Fucking boil. Boil! Alright, until it boils, I'll be right back. The water's taking too long to boil. It is 9 in the morning. Oh, I made that. Bow. Ooh, someone's dead. Oh. Baby, can't you see? You're the only one for me. What am I doing? What am I doing with my life? This is just disappointment. Why in God's green earth would I make this? Well, that's simple. It's really simple. Because my friend told me to. And I hate my life, so you know the rules, and so do I. You might be wondering, why are you cooking this? Well, I thought, why are you cooking this if you want to be a chef when you grow up? I don't want to cook this. This wasn't the original plan. The original plan was, I was gonna cook normal spaghetti, but, alright, the fuck, it shot me. It fucking almost hit me in the eye. The pasta linguine shot me in the eye. Alright, where I am only using, not much, because I do not like this recipe. My friend told me about this recipe, and, well, he can go fuck himself. I'm Italian, I'm like a little Italian, like a little percent. I'm like fully Irish, the other parts are like Italian, British. What the fuck am I doing? I'm disappointed in myself. And just Jesus. My mom's side is Irish and my dad's side is Italian, so if he sees me making this shit, he will beat me with a fucking belt. Let's just say that much. Like, ew. No Italian person likes this. No Italian person likes this. If you're Italian and you Italian, and you like this, you're not Italian. Just fucking shut up and die. Ooh. I already added the salt. It's starting to boil. It's starting to sizzle. It's doing bubbles. Fucking there's pasta fucking everywhere. You know what I'm doing for my videos? I'm making fun of the whole Italian culture. What the fuck am I doing with my life? What is this? God damn it, these things are easy to break. And you might be wondering, what's the sauce? The sauce is fucking ketchup. My life is a disappointment. Help me. Help me! I don't want to do this. It's only being an ass of itself. Alright, I'm putting these back. Whoa! Let's change angles. That is too big. Fucking, I can't find the lid. Big enough for this fucking thing. Fuck, it's probably in the... Fucking cut you, man. I know this is an Italian thing, but I gotta put these in here. Alright, let's let that settle. Smoke can't beat me. Almost there. Alright, now get your bowls out, folks, because life is a disappointment. Alright, here it is. Here it is. Ooh, look at that. It stinks to high hell. And I add cheese to this, some mozzarella, some boudicat, not monster cheese. I don't fucking remember how it's pronounced. This shit. It stinks to high hell. And God hates me. Fart. I don't want to bite this. Alright, let's get a camera saw. Hi, I'm sexy, right? I don't want to bite. I don't want to eat this. Alright. Oh, it fucking actually stinks. I'm back. Oh my god, there's actual tears in my eyes. Fuck, I don't want to bite this. Alright. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. That's ketchup. Noodles. Ketchup noodles. I want to kill myself. I want to kill myself. I want to kill myself to eat this shit. I'd rather kill myself. Here it goes. I ate it too slow. Ketchup. It was so bad. It's so bad. Right, be a man. Be a man. Oh, so oh, Twilight test is fucking ketchup and cheese. It's bad. It's a bad recipe. It's part of my fucking new series. I'm gonna make one. Alright, that's gonna do it for this video. Hey guys, I'm back. Oh, my stomach. I'm not gonna lie. My stomach hurts really bad. It's been an hour later, and since I made that monstrosity, it's 11. Great. I forgot to mention in this video, this is a new series. I think I mentioned it like real quick. But I'm gonna do bad recipes. You mention them, I'll make them. Anything you say in the comments, or if my friend tells me to make this, I'll make it. I still taste ketchup. It's just ketchup. I don't even hate ketchup, but when it's too much, it's just disgusting. I haven't cleaned up yet. because I've been just shitting my pants like constantly. Yeah, so this is a new series. I got a couple of series coming up. I got two series going on right now. My bad animes. I'm an animes you should watch, and uh, give me your bad recipes, and I'll make them and eat them in front of you, so I can kill myself later. That's basically it for this. I got an editor named Evan or Crazykelp. He can edit whatever he wants. He can put his name in it. He can put his fake name in it. So yeah, that's this. Uh, Evan, hi. Uh, he doesn't have a channel, but he's pretty cool. He's a good editor. He edited my last video, my epic omelet, which I like. I like that video a lot. Alright, that's it for this. I got an editor. His name is Evan. He's pretty cool. He's my friend. I knew him for 5 years now. And that's basically a new series, new fun, new videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.
Hey guys, Evan here. I'm AJ's editor. He was just mentioning me, and AJ mentioned his new series. This was the first video in it, and he said that we could ask him whatever we wanted him to make. So, I'd like him to take some mayo, black olives, and sugar, mix it together, and make it imitate vanilla ice cream, okay? It's not a very complex recipe. Maybe since that's a little simple, you could mix it with another like another request. I don't know. Um, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's me, Evan, Crazykelp. Yeah, bye.